An important feature to know about React Suspense is the concept of a suspense boundary. This allows you to easily consolidate multiple loading states into a single place, which prevents the cascade of loading indicators. This is what a cascade of loading looks like. We've all experienced websites where initially we wait for the page to load, then we wait for one section, for example, table of contents to load, then we wait for another section, for example, the video to load, then we wait for another section, for example, the video description to load, and so on. Suspense boundaries allow you to coordinate which parts of your UI should always pop in together at the same time. For example, we can wrap our entire application into a single suspense component and show a single placeholder till all of the child components have finished their loading. You can even group different portions of the UI into different boundaries to create the perfect user experience for your specific use case. For example, we can place the table of contents into its own suspense boundary and place the video and its description in a separate suspense boundary. So the table of contents gets its own fallback, whereas the video and its description are consolidated into a single fallback.